So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to find Windows Time. So we're going to scroll down till we find Windows Time, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Time service. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. And this should now sync up your date and time, and the problem should now be fixed. If you're getting an error message and this did not work, then you just want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then repeat the same step that I just showed you right now to sync your date and time, and this will now fix your problem.